Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair at 2006 Buick Lucerne with a 3.8 motor. We are doing the infamous right angle elbows that like to leak on these things. These little plastic pieces of crap that leak all the damn time. So the upgraded one is getting metal. They're not too bad. This one I'm doing the entire assembly, and I'll tell you why. See all that corrosion down inside there? And this pulley. So this belt tensioner here does not move very easy. All that crap on there, I could replace just the pulley, but since this whole assembly has to come off, I'm replacing the entire assembly, which comes with new tensioner, new pulley. This whole kit even came with the two brand new metal right angle elbows. So get a whole assembly put in. The belt was chirping, so that's what all this kind of good stuff got, plus definitely those elbows right there. So get this thing off. First, take the alternator. There's going to be 15 here, 15 here, two nuts, 115 on the side. Disconnect your power wire, disconnect your control wire. I did not disconnect the battery for this because I was able to lay the cable up and out of the way, and it's got the rubber piece still on there, so it's not going to touch anything metal. So one less thing I have to do. Take the alternator up and out of the way. Sorry, you got to disconnect your belt first. I have one of these tools. It's basically a 15. It's like yay, with a long extension on there. Pull it, get the belt, take the belt off all the way. I'm also putting a new belt on, so belt comes off. 10 here, 10 here. Once you take them out, spray a little bit of PB Blaster, rust penetrant, something in here to help loosen these things up, because these are also plastic and you don't want these to break. You can get a pair of pliers, rotate them a little bit so they come out, rotate again, and then they pop out. Now this one already had all the coolant drained because this leak was so bad, so I didn't have to worry about draining the coolant for this one. But you will have a little bit of coolant that'll come out here. You'll have a little bit that's going to come out of the two elbows that are down there. Next, 15 here, 15 right there, and then another 15 on the bottom of this right here that you can't see. But if you're looking, it'll be right there. So you're looking at it like this, you can't see that one, but there it is right there. 15, 15, 15. Whole thing comes right off. Use a pry bar, flathead screwdriver, anything, pry here, whole thing comes right off. And then clean the little ports out so there's no rubber O-ring or debris in there. Lube it up going back in, a little bit of PB Blaster, rust penetrant, something like that, just to make them slip in there. Align the new, I put the new ones in the assembly first and then line it right up, bolt, 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 everything bolt back, piece of pie, put the 15s back in, put the alternator back in, and away you go. Right now 15 minutes into this job, and I'm already about 4 or 5 minutes away from being finished up. So this is not a bad job. This is a quite common leak for these things right here. So if you do have to replace these, make sure you get the metal ones. You'll never have to replace them again. It's POS design. What can I say? They put plastic in places they really shouldn't be, but I'm not the engineer. But any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.